We're gonna pick up who?
Lola, Tess, and Tita Abby.
Welcome to UAE again. Sino ko? Sino? Sarap.
Wow! Parang si... Mabilisan lang kami. Punta naman kami sa Dubai Aquarium.
Panganay na apo at ang bunsong apo.
Here, Abu Dhabi. Are you happy?
Super happy.
Yeah,
Super
from
duper.
UND.
Oh, si Vito. Hi. Hi.
Alina, look.
Going to work. Ito yung aking kotse. Ito naman ang kotse ni Charm. Gamitin ko yung kotse ni Charm today.
Thank you.
Okay, and dito na tayo sa work. Another day, another work. Everyone, kagagaling ko lang sa duty. Try ko muna bumili ng konting mga kut-kutin sa bahay, mga kikiam, or bibigyan ako ng pork siguro. Kikiam, fish ball, squid ball. May bilihan dito malapit sa amin, pangalan niya West Zone. Grocery shop na may mga Filipino products tsaka mga pork. Hindi lahat ng grocery store dito sa UAE na makakabili ka ng mga pork products. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung yung nabibilan namin ng pork dito. So ayan siya. Ang pangalan niya ay West Zone. Musafa branch. Yung West Zone na yan.
we going?
Dubai Airport.
We're going to Dubai Airport. Why? Why are we going there?
We're going to Dubai Airport. We're going to go to Dubai.
We're gonna pick up who?
Lola, Tess, and Tita Obi.
Yeah. Are you ready to go?
Yeah, I can bring this house home.
Okay.
Sneak. And
Excited.
Hi, I'm excited.
Mama, look at that.
Wow.
This is Sam.
See you later.
In Ad Street.
Gustav, where are we now?
My mom's work.
Where is Mama's work?
It's over there and think about your city. See, Mama. Lord, Belda, you will that.
What's the name of your Mama's work?
My mama's work is SSMC. What is
Stay
that
to the
city?
left. Then turn right. Turn right.
Mama, what
Then
is
turn
that
right.
city?
It's Sheikh Shakbout Medical City. That is SSMC.
Why?
Yung phone ko after ng duty. Dali kami sa ospital.
What is this hospital?
This is Mama's
Turn
work.
right.
This is where Mama's working. Are you coming with me?
Hospital building on Nonancy.
Yeah, I'm
Come with
gonna
Mama inside.
come with me. I'm gonna get my phone. Okay?
200 meters.
Okay.
At the roundabout.
Can you read this? Inpatient pharmacy. Let's go. Go inside. Go inside.
What is this?
I'm gonna go inside. Open. Didn't. We're going to the exit? Okay. Oh, come on, we're gonna go to the exit. Mama's work is like a maze. Because there's different areas. I'm gonna go now.
What? Exit! Open!
Let's go.
It's heavy. What is this? It's another mode.
Okay, we're gonna go.
For me. How about this? Look, how about this?
Yeah.
Oh, it's just a lab.
Come on, this way.
Oh, jacket.
Here, here, here.
Jump.
Jump. Come on.
What is it? Those small ones.
Say bye-bye, SSMC.
Bye-bye, SSMC. We want to Dubai Airport.
Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road.
Hati ka dito.
تمسك جيدا. Please hold on.
Continue straight on D68 Al Hale Street. Then stay to the right to the direction of arrivals.
Oh, look.
Stay to the
Dubai
right to the direction of
Airport.
arrivals.
Look, it's a final. Look,
Short term.
बिना इंटरव्यू है तो ना किया था मेरी जेडे लैन आए जेडे लैन
1,000 years later.
Tayo. Nandito na sila ah. Kaya sila nanay ah. Come on. Basta.
What's up, vlog? Hello.
Welcome to UAE again.
Sino ko? Sino ko?
Sa biyahe. Ayos ka, ayos. Ay, open mo. Did you kiss? Did you kiss? Open mo.
Kiss Lola, kiss Lola.
Nakalimutan na natin.
So happy. Kasama ko na sila. Okay, we're all set.
Hi.
Nag-order kayo ng pagkain sa plate?
Ano nga ba lang?
Flag,
Minibidyo sa video namin.
Dutch queen and the
Gusto mo yung Arabic naman?
Maglola. Say hi.
You look
Say
at
hi.
that.
Say hi.
Hi.
You miss us?
Yes, look, it's an old buildings of the city.
Wow, sige go tour guide namin.
Ay,
Look,
Hi, nasundo na sila.
Hey. Hi, I love Dubai.
Mas madaldal pa nga siya sa mga video namin.
Look, it's a building.
You're
Look,
hyper na ah.
look something. Look at
Makulit na nga
this
sa ganyan na eh.
cool.
Ayaw nang magpasabay minsan.
It's just like this.
Makulit ako.
Kaya wala kasi yung talino niya.
Pero mabait naman, makulit lang.
Look, it's something with more lights here. Look, it's the bridge.
Yeah, the bridge.
Where's the Burj Khalifa?
The Burj Khalifa
Yeah,
is
where are you? There. Is that Burj Khalifa?
In 2.2 kilometers, stay to the left to E11 south in direction of
Burj
Abu Dhabi.
Khalifa. More Burj Khalifa and more buildings. Look, it's in Dubai.
Parang ano nila no? Talaga yung pinaka-tourist spot.
Look here,
Very
look,
picture.
Di ba, may tuwan?
And then you're with...
Nanay and my brother Kuya, RB. First meal, ang kanilang first meal sa UAE.
And we're eating Mandy.
Thank you. Yeah, you're hungry na, diba? Now we're gonna eat.
Tomato, salsa.
Yan yung cheese. Parang sausawan mo na.
Ito na tayo mo na yun eh.
His first food in UAE.
Sarap!
Sarap ba?
Sarap!
Hi!
Sarap! Gutom lang ako. Joke pa ako. Pero masarap. Uy, baka mapasok ka.
No, this is for you.
Oh, earlier.
May ba kayo dito?
Hindi, ano tayo? Tsaka na.
Pwede kayo magkamay. Ito chicken. Ito kuya, chicken.
It's our first meal in Dubai. First bite in UAE. In UAE pala.
Chicken tayo.
Sa UAE nga ako.
Sinanay.
Prepare the food of my grandson.
Mga yogurt.
I will prepare the food of my
Depende sa preference mo, nung gusto nilagay.
Oh, love na love siya ng lola niya.
Yes. First, tanggalin muna natin ang
Nung bata tayo, tayo muna bago kumain si nanay. Ngayon naman apo niya muna bago siya kumain.
enjoy ko to. Enjoy ko pag ito. Ano ko. Tapos siya, hinayaan ko magsubok.
Picture mo.
Baka na muna. Marunong kumain mag-isa yun.
Ito nga, i-prepare ko lang siya na para siya na. Tanggalin ko lang siya na. Siya na. Ba, daming chicken yan.
Oh, there. Meron ako yan. Meron na yan. You use your spoon also. Use your spoon. Hindi, meron na siyang spoon. Kanya na yan, ako. Kinakain niya yan.
O, chicken mo na later na ng yogurt. No, siguro.
Hindi, kinakain niya yan.
Hindi, ito yun.
Kinakain ko talaga siya.
Siya? Ito pala ha. Ito ha, ano mo? Kanan ka, no? Kanan. Okay. Naku, ang mga batang to magaganda pa mga tuhod.
Kaya ba?
Namumuloktot din. Hindi, okay.
Kaya?
Oo, kaya. Very good, ayan.
Pagka magkala, first and last na natin ang mag-intensive. Para may experience sa isip ko yan.
Oo naman, oo. Hindi, ibig sabihin, sarap. Kung ako, fish, anak.
Ito na.
Paano ba ang style?
Hindi, i-diretso mo na lang. Para hindi ka mahirapan.
Sapatos ko, malapit sa medyas ko, malapit sa'yo.
Okay na.
Okay lang? Yan. Okay.
Lagyan mo.
Fish, lagyan din kitang fish. Ang pinukumpay niya sa chicken at sa kanin. Oh, pagkatapos ng yogurt, yung chicken na may rice.
Yeah, you put on your rice. With the chicken and rice, anak.
Chicken and rice.
See, look at mama. Look at mama. I'm putting on the rice. Pure pa yan, ha? Pure yogurt yung kinakain. Oh, look, oh. You put, yes. Then you eat it. Oh, like this, oh.
Very good naman pala eh.
Yummy. It's good. How do you like it? Good.
Combination eh.
Yeah, diba? See? It's yummy, no?
Bago siya na yung
Hindi kasi ganun talaga. Hinahalo. Pwede niyong ihalo sa
ng
kanin.
yogurt.
Or ito sa pag biryani.
Hindi, ibig sabihin libre lang yung kanin.
Dito.
Kasi last time naalala mo na yung gano'ng kalaki.
Ganun kalaki.
Ganyan din.
Baka naubusan sila ng... Feeling ko naubusan na nalagyan sa loob.
Baka.
Oo, tapos hindi mo nga kinuha si Kuya. Kinuha ka na hawak. Kasi malaki yan.
Malaki?
Puti yan.
Mama, heat.
Yes, okay. Okay, I'm looking at you. Wow, very good.
Very good
Yung rice parang biryani din eh. Biryani dito. Iba yung tawag nila. Magbi. Hati mo lang yun.
Hati tayo.
Hati mo.
Lucky.
Ang sarap yung kanin pa lang.
Lucky.
Kasi may lasa na yung kanin.
Thank you.
Wow, thank you.
Wow, thank you so much.
Sa'yo, namin kanin. Hindi like, sipar. Ay, gusto pa rin siya natin. Ako ngayon, problema natin paano ubusin. Kaya na.
Ubus yan.
Pwede pa mag-order. Order lang.
Okay.
Hi. Ang bata. Hello.
Yan, ganun na.
Kasi yung mga bata.
Minix na yung yogurt. O ito ba? There's yogurt pa. Yan, may yogurt pa. I-mix mo na.
Top ng kanin. Biryani pa.
That's tea.
I need to taste tea.
Parang yung kinain natin.
Is this like a combo?
Like crab balls. Like crab balls.
Take mo na. Parang siya yung kinain natin sa ano, Taiwan. Yung bilog-bilog na ano.
Kaya ka.
Hindi, mainit. Mainit na.
Pantunaw ng ano, ng kinain. Tea. Tea siya.
Pero sarap
din ah.
Tumigay ko sa Bulgari.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, finish.
Iyak ko kasi nabitbit ko. Ang plus ang aking sisibito. Kadagan naligo kagad ako para mahawakan ko kagad. Smile mo na. Smile. Ito Mare. Ayun na Mare. Hello.
Lola Tetes,
Smile.
miss you so much.
Miss so much talaga. Ay, magsasabay yung mapapacheck.
Punta muna kami ngayon ng ng ospital. Papacheck up lang naman kasi may konting ubo tsaka si Ponzi, si Vito. Regular check up lang naman. Tali-tali yung buhok. Parang si Dada.
Parang si Dada katali.
Tali-tali yung buhok. You look like Dada.
And yung hair niyan, parang ano rin yung mahirap pa rin ito ng mali.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. It's my Apo, regular check-up.
Regular check-up today kasi may konting sipon.
May konting sipon ang aking sisibito. Check-up ni Dada. Oh, naku, behave. Oh. Lola. Mamita test.
Okay, dive muna kami. See you later.
Bye.
At Phoenix Hospital. Let's go check up.
Let's go check up. Ng aking Apo, check up, regular check up. Let's go na. Where's that?
Sige na, labas na.
Hold mo.
Start ka.
Check up. Yun lang, kasi talaga pag na-electric fan na tapos sa kanya bumagay yung electric fan. Ganun yung pag natamaan mo ng electric fan, nagpapagay yung ano. Pero itong gagandahan nito, yung thumbs up. Your dada also thumbs up.
Parang ako nung bata.
And the hair, the thumbs up. Para ikaw
Ako.
ikaw na, ikaw may gantong hair. Tapos mabait siya na pag ganyan ang bata ko pag naglas. Like Dada.
Kamukha ko doon ng baby ako. Nagutom na ang baby.
Ganyan din na.
Alagang-alaga ng mga lola niya.
Siyempre.
At ang kanyang mamita. Mamita Tetes. Ating pa sa camera.
Yeah, nga eh.
Nasundan niyo pa.
Oo, talaga yun.
Dati kaming inaalagaan ngayon. Yung mga apo niya na. Thank you, Nanay Lola Mamita Tess. Sabili na kami ng gamot. Kami ay uuwi na. Let's go home.
Can you point to the dog? Good job. What does a dog say?
Nakatulog na siya after nebulization. Hindi na masikip yung ubo niya. So, sana magtuloy-tuloy na ang kanya.
Put your stuffy on your knees and you'll both be filled with glee. Put your stuffy on your knees, Put your stuffy on your nose, on your nose. Put your stuffy on your nose, on your nose. Put your stuffy on your nose, then move it to your toes. Put your stuffy on your nose, on your nose. Put your stuffy on your head.
This. Let's see.
Choose a color, huh? Choose a color.
No, what is it?
This one.
Black.
Interesado tayo.
Color.
Yeah, you choose a color. And then you color the...
Wait.
Yes.
This one.
Yeah. You follow the color. I didn't choose the color there. I'll help you. So that...
And then purple.
Okay.
And pink.
Okay.
And then red.
Okay.
And gray.
Okay.
And
Very
white.
good, you know already the color. Now we will color.
Wait, I want to.
Yes. What
Okay.
color you want to place it in her hair? What color is her hair? Is his hair? Yeah, you choose. It is black.
Black.
Yeah, okay.
You
You get the colors that you copy the color so that it's nice.
What's the black?
Yeah, you can see the black color.
Now I see the black color. Right.
Where is the... Very good. Okay.
And
Start coloring. Be
down with the
careful, huh? Be careful so that it's nice, no? It's nice. Slowly but surely.
The crayon.
Yeah. Okay. No, this one, no, the point one. The point. This you use this point one. It teach you how to hold the pencil. Yes.
Is
Yes.
gray?
No, you have don't wag mong palalap.
Everyone, andito pa kami sa bahay ng aking family. So bali kami lang ni Kuya ang pupunta ng Dubai. Siya lang ang igagala ko today. Kasi nga sila nanay, si Kuya, ay si nanay, si Mama, saka si Christoph, nalibot na nila yung Dubai at iba't ibang part ng UAE. So kami lang ni Kuya today. Yan sila. Iwan sila today. Ano ma? Okay na naman. Pwede na naman. Thank you. Tapos kami, Kuya, handa ka na pa sa init ng Dubai? Ay, ng UAE?
Lamig pa kaya nito? Sobrang lamig oh, hindi siya mainit.
Lagay na lang.
Giniginawa ko. Ay, hindi na dalang payong no?
Ay, dala ka.
Sports car ni Robin. Diba ang galing na yung cellphone?
Sige, mo na.
Wow!
Yung isang araw, nasira yung ano to eh. Yung aircon. Pero may fan naman. Yung aircon wala.
Okay.
Ang awa nga.
Hey guys.
Hindi ka na bang init, no? May fan naman. May fan.
Sige na.
Laban sa
aircon niya. Oo, okay lang yun.
Sira eh.
Lalamig naman niya mamaya eh.
Hindi lalamig. Yun ako kukumoy sa labas.
Sa labas?
Para welcome to UAE daw talaga.
Okay lang.
Charot lang.
At hindi yung
kasama
ano.
yung sa vlog.
Ba yan? Paano ko?
Kasi kaya hindi siya nilalagay.
Kaya ka Bumblebee tawag dyan eh.
Hello guys. Nandito na kami sa aming pang-apat na picture place para kay Kuya. Hindi ko na video yung mga una kasi nga mabilisan lang kami. Yan si Kuya.
What's up, yo?
Ano, punta tayo sa 4th place ng iyong picture area. Malapit lang pala. Kala ko lapit eh. Ay, kala ko layo eh. Si Kuya nagbi-video ng City Vibes. Hindi na ako masyadong nag-video habang nag-picture taking siya kasi ako naman yung cameraman, so nakapag-picture na rin naman tayo doon, kaya hindi na rin ako nagpapapicture kay Kuya. See you later. Punta na kami ngayon ng Burj Khalifa dun sa mga bridge doon. Ito, mag-picture pala siya dito sa tram. Ang picture nga na siya. Downtown Dubai pa lang to. Pag nakita ko pa yung talagang high-end Dubai po. Wow. Electric car. We are now at Dubai Mall. Mamaya punta naman kami sa Dubai Aquarium. See you later.
Hi! Hello!
This is the big city.
Yeah, the big city.
No, it's not the big city. It's the Mother Woody's spot.
Yes.
This is your car. Your car. Who's that?
This is Dada. It's in who?
Dada.
Dada is Papa niya eh.
Dada's Papa.
Una
See, they're 2 minutes and they want to go in
forward mo
the
sa akin.
And Dada's your ice cream. This is the big. This is the city.
Lalo pag nakita mo nag-ano talaga ng ano yan.
Hello.
Hi!
Hi.
This is the city and they want to be.
Madaldal.
Why so handsome? Christoph. Herman. Look.
Roman.
Look. Look.
Tito Rod. And then say
Look at
hi.
here. Look at.
Nga, ano?
You're silly.
No.
Ah.
Ano? What's that? Come
And
on.
make a big they go.
Papa Dede na. Gusto mong gawin yan. Alam ko eh. Para dami yung vlog nyo eh.
Kaya nga eh. Eh kanina walang kumukuha.
Si Vito.
Feel ko naman.
Ang ganda.
Hindi ko tinafeel sa kanilang dalawa.
Kasi, alam mo, iba talaga yung pagka-apo mo na pala. Marami nagsasabi, di ba? Pag-apo, iba. Maraming,
Kasi
sila yung parang pang-dipang mo.
Yung taste na.
Pang ano po? Pang copy. Okay. Pang copy. Kala ko copy na.
Oo, kasi hindi pa pag matanda ka na, halos wala ka ng mapagdipangan. Kaya sa apo mo muna ibabaling yung ano.
Iba siya. Iba siya. Kami habang nagpe-playing kami. And then, the story of Merman ka. Napakasarap anak ng pakiramdam na laro ko tong aking panganay na apo at ang bunsong apo na si Vito. And then, tell a story pa. Look at the video. And then, that's my favorite. This is my aking apo. Nakakapagbasa. Nakaka na yung libro mo. Wow, gusto na rin mag-aral ng books niya.
Oh, this is now day 2 of Nanay and Kuya here in UAE. Si Nanay ayaw nang gumala eh kasi halos na bisita na daw lahat ng attractions dito sa UAE.
We're eating together with my apo! We're eating together with my apo! Look! Sarap na kumain namin sa bar. And si Vito, inaantok na kasi yan.
Kontento na siya sa ano? Sa pagbanding niya sa kanyang mga apo. Kontento na si Nanay sa pagbanding sa kanyang apo.
Kaya nga. May sabaw.
Pagka ito pinatulog niya. Mamaya makikita mo tumatakbo na uli din. Kunin naman yung...
Kanilang niluto ay nilaga.
Favorite ni Christoph may sabaw.
Kaya nga.
Very good.
I love you.
I love you more.
See you later. Punta kami ng Babs Hindu Mandir, Indian temple here at UAE, Abu Dhabi. See you later. Guys, dito na aming gala ng aking kuya, RB. Mag-ano lang kami picture-picture sa Babs Hindu Mandir at bibili siya ng gold later. See you later.
Let's take E10 Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Street.
Okay, 33 minutes only. Silang pa-umbrella at tubig dito. Wow, thank you, Babs. Nandito na kami sa Babs Hindu Mandir, Abu Dhabi. Kasi kuya na lang, nag-video and picture. nag-video lang si kuya. Para sa kanyang my day. Ganda rin dito talaga. Hindi nakasama puntahan. Pang 3rd time or 4th time ko na yata dito magpunta. Kada may bisita kami, dinadala ko sila lagi dito. Bukas tomorrow, baka punta si kuya ng Grand Mosque and Emirates Palace. Kasama sila Charm kasi may pasok na ako tomorrow. Biringan ng Abu Dhabi. Biringan ng Abu Dhabi. Dito na kami ngayon sa mga gold shop. Yeah. Palm Jumeirah. Feeling ko Palm Jumeirah nakuha ni Kuya. Yeah.
This one solid, no? PSNC?
Yeah. Guys, so napag-withdraw na tayo ng pera para kay Kuya. Kaya ganda, seryoso, may panalo to. But they give you a good deal.
Palm Jumeirah.
Are you happy?
Super happy.
Yeah,
Super
from
duper.
NBD.
Oh, diba? Manifest natin magkakabahay tayo dito.
Today's rate is...
Bibigyan mo niya ako ng ganyan. Bukas na. Isa ano na? Isa naman sila. Isa naman natin itong baka. Gusto ko pang chain. Parang yung... Advance na.
Success!
Success! Meron na tayong isa.
So, nakabili na siya dito sa isang store. So, makabibili pa siya sa iba. Bibili siya ng mga ano, ang target niya sa ngayon mga half kilo lang. Half kilo. Bagsak presyo para sa kabayan. Pasok loob. Second gold shop na pupuntahan namin ay Al Hawadi Jewelry.
How much per gram here? 300 for lane.
Oh, same.
Ang maganda rin yun. Maganda rin, oh.
Pwede. Ang ganda. Just tell me how much making charge will you?
90 dirham. 940. 90 making charge. The total making charge is 90.
Isa sa mga high-tech na building dito. Para matakpan ng
We're eating shawarma.
It's locked. See, I would have to open it.
Okay, I will help you. Ooh, I'll share shawarma.
Shawarma, yummy. Shawarma.
authentic shawarma.
Authentic shawarma.
Ang sarap.
Alam mo si
Shawarma.
Ito ay kumakain ng shawarma sa Pinas.
Gusto lang.
Pero yun nandito natikman niya gusto-gusto.
Big shawarma.
Come on, bite, Krista. Bite.
Siyempre, hindi ako nakain.
Hold. Love you.
Wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town.
Kanina talagang sinugabay. Baka kasi malamig talaga pa yung malamig.
Wow.
A diaper. Wow, mga pakita sa tutoy. Ano ko? Lalaban natin ng ano?
Papalit ang lola.
Natala, ano?
Ang tatay ng kahilata lang.
Okay lang ako. Na-enjoy ko.
Kasi gusto ng lola na magpalit. Ayaw niya akong tumulong.
Enjoy ako, anak. Kasi kumbaga, opportunity itong ano ko na ano ko sa kanya naramdaman ko. No. Saan tinadilin ako kung nagugutom or ano, hindi eh. No.
The last
Yung binubutas siya.
Yung
Throw away the city lights, throw away the cars. Give me a clear night underneath all the stars. I don't want no concrete jungles, no suburbia. I just want somewhere that the blue skies are. So come with me to a place so far, where the palm trees dance and sway. So run with me.
Ba daw yung kasing ano nun eh, no? Ako. Saka depende sa oras ba?
Let's try. Kita. Hindi po, yung katabi, ito po. Natanong nga dito eh. Ito may mga taong nakaupo sa dining. Ayun po, yung marami dito.
Ay, yung malayo na yun.
Nyam, 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 nyam po. Nyam, 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 nyam.
Makabagong bukas.
Hindi po, ayun may marami pa. Hindi pa ako sa kanila, kaya ako tanong, pero doon po banda.
Like that.
Yung nag-blink lang.
Lagay ko lahat.
3. Cheers!
Cheers!
Nako, yung work ni Mamu. Surprise! It's a surprise work!
Airport ng Singapore. Di siguro binisto, ang ganda. May ito po yung daan na to. Hi.
Hospital where Mamu work.
Pero pa ngayon parang ano yung mini garden sa tapos mainit eh.
Hello.
Hi.
Baby.
Yung saya mo eh. Mas hindi ka tinitingnan ko ano. Talagang nahihilig mo talaga yun. Bibili ka na. Pero pag tumanda ka na.
Anong command made yun? Lagi yung island nila na yun.
Pero yung sa saka nandun na yung mga kamag-anak. Kaya na yung ganyan. Pero yung
Gustav.
Oh, you're making pizza!
Mag-order ka ng pizza po.
Wow!
Crystal.
Guys, here it's Sura.
Hi. Crystal. Crystal. Here.
Wow! You like it? Show me. Wow! Oh, run, run.
You like it? Roman, you like it?
You like that, na? Echo. 1, 2, smile.
Roman. Baby. Hello. Ang cute. Ayun, nag-smile. Ang cute. For memory. For keep.
You're the only one. Don't need to tell me what the future holds. Oh, I'll be fine 'cause we'll be laying in the sun. So you can let your hair down.
Wah. Roman. Ang cute. Ang cute naman yan. Ayun o. Here at Ferrari World. Kasi kaya nag-video ng mga kotse. Formula 1.
Ito ba kami bakay sila eh?
Wow.
mo ba yung ulam?
Pwede naman.
May iba. Dili-dili ka dyan na.
May snaps ka?
Oh no, yes.
Sige, hey, kusap niya, hey. Pati siya nang umiyak sa baby na.
Ando kayo crabbo.
Ay, makakain ko maayos.
Ciao.
Crabbo.
Crabbo. Ay, crabbo sa crabbo for you, ha? Thank you. Wala ko yung pakapis ka.
No, where's shampoo? Very good. Ang galing mo. Di ba?
Kasi hindi niya na ano yun eh.
Tinatapat ko lang kasi malayo pero maliit.
Maliit pero nabasa niya yung word ano. Kasi hindi niya masyadong binabanggit yung Hong Kong eh, no? Pero dyan nabasa niya eh.
For Australia.
Diba nag-ano nang nakita nila na may scholarship.
Galing mo.
Ano niya
agad eh.
Ano yan eh. Makakabalita naman kapag
Good morning!
yung aking...
With Mamita Tess and Lola Cynthia, good morning. Tapos sa kanila nag-aalaga.
Siyempre, love namin to. Si Bito. Si Bito. Hi! Hi! Happy! So, talagang masayang masaya.
Ayan. Maligo muna ka.
Sige, go.
See you later, guys. We'll go to Dubai later.
To Dubai!
To Dubai!
So, let's look at the view. Oh! Binigyan nila kami ng ng best view. Oh, Dubai Marina. Look at that. Look at that. It's Dubai Marina.
Wow! I need to swim in the pool.
Where's the pool?
It's over there.
Oh, there's a pool over there. Kuya, picture ka na sa desert, oh.
Parang Toros Pampanga lang yun.
Malaking frame, malaking mall. Tapos guys, yung view namin. Tignan nyo naman yung view namin. $1 view, di ba?
Ang laki rin pala niya, no? Mga maya, ito yung mga bilyon-bilyon yung bahay.
Ano daw hotel ko?
It's Atlantis.
Hindi ako pumasok dyan. Kasi pasok tayo na. Grabe. Dubai Marina Mall. Meron siyang ganitong view. Wow. Tahanan ni Charm ngayong gabi. Gagawa daw kami ng baby girl.
Look. Look.
Mga babae oh.
Oo nga no. Ito yung Mega Yacht Dow Cruise. Ang galago sila. May kalago na si Cristo. Wow, mamita tete.
Ano dati?
And the night is young, so if I lay down.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Ito ulit natin si Shermie. Sipag oh. The life she chose. Cheese tomato. Ano itong alon? Cheese tomato.
Hagtipid na, pang-ordis ka, hagtipid na dapat.
Pero puti.
Tignan ko malin dyan.
Ooh, someone's sleeping.
Oh, it's over there.
Okay.
Mas picture ka tayo mga
Hi, hi. Hi. May kasama po kaming taga rito.
Games.
Wow.
This one is very good.
Kakain po siya ng bato.
Looks like stone.
This is our pita game.
Bilang nakapatong si ano dyan sa loob, ano?
Sige.
Hindi nakapatong
Pero sa labas naman ganda.
Pero pag
Meal.
Here?
This is my Apo Roman. He started school. My Apo in school.
Smile.
Hi.
Love
Say
you. Hi.
Hi.
playground.
Oh yeah.
The
we'll go
playground.
there later. And then we'll head to school.
Many playground.
Pinahatid kita sa school. That's a pretending.
Going to the school.
Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
I don't like
Video.
everyone.
Video, ha?
From where?
Hi.
Hi.
My time is in my Apo. This is my precious
This is
moment.
for Ponderella. This is my sticky the Ponderella.
That's my kiss. First vlog. Wow! Feel na feel yung nanay. At ng kanyang mga apo. You love Mamita Tess?
Yes, but
How much you love Mamita Tess?
therapy.
How much?
So much.
So much.
No, this is a
I
party.
love also Roman so much.
This is a party. What's the sound?
This is my experience it.
Medyo na ng kanyang bakasyon.
Yeah, I'm very enjoying my vacation because they step in my shoulder and I play with them and I hug and matagal siya nakatulog sa balikat ko.
Yeah.
And then talk to Subito clearly and then hug it when we are sleeping.
Yeah.
Yeah, kasabay ko silang natulog.
And you went to school today.
Yeah.
You went to Christoph's school today and bought Christoph a new uniform. What did you say to your Mamita Tess? What would you say?
Thank you.
And I love you.
I love you.
Bye-bye.
I do what I want, I do that. Lahat talaga saya na ako, anak.
Kaya nga.
Nakatulog sa lap ko, nayakap ko siya.
Itatamsa ko, parang ako lang din.
Yeah, totoo.
Oh, look at Lola. Ay, Dada.
Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss, Mamita?
Kiss Mamita, kiss Mamita.
Can I have a kiss?
Where's kiss Mamita? Mamita's kiss, come on. Yummy.
I'm so happy for your kiss.
Naisip mo dito lang kita Abu Dhabi. Nga pala, sa Dubai nga pala kayo, no? Kaya batal yung aga-alis.
Tululaway.
Naroon ang tulog niya kaninang umaga. Ayaw, no?
Oo, nakatulog sa loob.
Kiss Mamita, kiss Mamita, come on. Yummy kiss, give yummy kiss on the cheek. Yummy.
I'm so happy you kiss me.
Do you love Mamita, Tess?
Yes.
How much? Kising-kising mag-cellphone. Do you love Mamita, Tess? Do you love Mamita, Tess? Sinusulat na rin nanay ang kanyang manual sa mga apo. Ayaw niyang pitawan.
Ito lang naman talaga pinunta ko, mahal ko to eh.
Kaya nga, enjoy ang kanyang birthday celebration.
Yeah, enjoy. Very, very enjoy talaga.
Last day.
Yeah.
Hindi pala last day.
Punta di balo ako dito. Salagang masayang ako. Masayang.
Sa balutan.
Sobrang happy.
Oh, sit na.
Picture eh, oh. That's why
Back to the airport na uwi na sila.
picture na yan
Uwi na sila.
Kasi sabi siya kanina dahil yung picture dito. Pag namimiss ko kayo, tignan ko lang yung picture na yun. Oh, masaya na agad ako. Oh. We're going to airport kasi yahatid ko kami.
Teka.
Hey everyone. Now, I want to talk about something really close to our heart. Why we are vlogging. For us, isn't just about videos or views, it's about family. Vlogging is our time capsule. It's a way to capture the real, raw, beautiful moments that make up our lives. Not just the big milestones like birthdays or vacations, but the little things. The bedtime giggles, the messy kitchen and breakfasts, the dance parties in the living room, the way your toddler says I love you with peanut butter on their face. And those are the things we forget too easily. And to us of WS, we're not always there physically with our loved ones. But at least through this, we get to create memories that last. We had no idea how to vlog, how to edit, or how YouTube even works. Especially me, Romil. I could barely talk properly in person, let alone in front of a camera. But we went for it anyway, because we believe there's a bigger purpose behind it. Every time I hit record, I'm capturing a piece of our story. I'm making sure that one day, when my kids are older, they can look back and see the love, hear the laughter, remember who we were, how we lived, and how fiercely we loved each other. It's not about being perfect. It's about being real. About showing our children that life is messy, beautiful and worth remembering, just the way it is. We live in a world that moves so fast, but vlogging lets us pause time. It lets us relive the magic of ordinary days. And one day, when voices change, when homes get quieter, when people we love become memories, these videos will be priceless. So no, it's not just a vlog. It's our living scrapbook, our family legacy, a gift to our future selves, and to the generations that will come after us, to everyone watching from the other side of the screen, whether you're family, a friend, or someone out there who's just watching. You're part of the memory too. Thank you so much for your support. We'll keep doing our best to improve and bring you content that's fun, meaningful, and inspiring. If others can succeed, why can't we, right? We're praying for all families out there to succeed in this life too. We love you all. So keep recording, keep remembering, keep loving, because every moment matters. And always remember, family first.
See the airplanes? Patingin na.
You see na yung airplane, we are near na.
In 300 meters,
Oh, 300 meters more.
then stay to the
300 meters more.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Then stay to the right in the direction of
Enter the parking na.
Liberty! Ako, happy ako.
Departure.
Set your mind lang. Ang una kasi talagang puro pasyal no? No, Liberty!
See you again. Nanago na sa parking.
So happy.
See you again. Nararamdaman na?
Diba? Guys, we're now at the parking ng Airport Terminal 1. May mga tagal siguro dyan.
Ganyan na nga lang dati may mga pagkita ng
Mamabay na sila mamaya.
cover yung mga
Serve yan eh.
So many cars.
Okay lang.
Sana bibabalikan ni Arbiter.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Kahit biglaan lang, napagbigyan niyo ako. Oo, embrace ko si... Oh, embrace niyo ako.
Si Vito. Si Vito. Bye-bye.
Ay, naku!
Marami akong memories na dadalhin, maraming picture.
Bye-bye.
Wala pa yung ano namin. Bye-bye. See you again. See you again, sir. Wala pa yung ano namin. Ano pa lang to eh. Wala. Umaga pa lang. Wala pa 7 pa yung amin. Wala.
Hagol kayo. Hag.
Ano?
Hindi na.
Hag kayo tatlo. 4.
Liberty!
Wala niya na po eh. Kaya masaya dito eh.
Time.
May anong area?
Area 5.
Direct yung sinanay. Ha? Direct yun na tayo.
Bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh, come on. Let's come with them so you can say bye-bye.
Kaya kayo ba na meron kong bata at saka matanda? Ano mabili?
Who's this boy?
Sige, stop.
He's good. I wanna eat you. Hi guys, tatita namin sila. Sad na si Habi.
I'm happy. Because they're happy.
Si Mama.
Dito na tapos ang aming 9-day.
Ayan.
Dito na tapos ang aming 9-day, family bonding.
Yes.
Nag-half day ako sa trabaho para lang mahatid sila sa airport. Sabi ko, babayaran ko na lang.
Ooh, may Lambo.
Teka po. Teka po, may kiss-stop.
Hi guys, we're going home na to Abu Dhabi. How are you, Christoph?
I'm fine.
You're fine? Are you happy? Yeah. We're gonna go back to Abu Dhabi.
I miss them already.
Yeah.
I miss them already, but I'm happy because they're happy.
Yes. Hey guys, bye. Say bye-bye na, Christoph.
Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. See you in the next vlog.